Hi, I'm Leo from ThemeREX, WordPress Power Elite Author, and I'm excited to show you Marcell, multi-concept personal blog WordPress theme. It has an amazing clean design with a fresh touch, outstanding blocks and widgets. It's made with Elementor Page Builder and has a WooCommerce store integration. Moreover, we've prepared 20 unique demos, each with a different layout you can choose from. Let's take a look at the classic demo. We can see 3 posts at the top section, About section, and the classic blog page with the left sidebar. Now, let's check another demo with a full-width layout. It has an interesting solution, a large post on the left side and scrollable 2-column section on the right side. Below, we see the slider with testimonials, a couple of video posts, an info section, and layout. It has an interesting solution, a large post on the left side and scrollable 2-column section on the right side. Below, we see the slider with testimonials, a couple of video posts, an info section, and Instagram feed. Note that the header in this homepage is transparent with a burger menu. Now let's see the creative blog demo. It has a nice banner post at the top, beautiful thumbnails, and mixed widgets below. Also, there are different styles of articles, excerpts, and shop products. Those who prefer creative, unusual solutions will definitely enjoy it. Now let's check the grid gallery designs. There are 3 pre-made gallery layouts available. As we can see, it is clean, simple, and has a category switcher. The categories page designs. There are 3 pre-made gallery layouts available. As we can see, it is clean, simple, and has a category switcher. The categories page has a nice design with thumbnails, category names, and quantity of posts. Let's check the blogging tips page. It has a default 1 column with a functional sidebar. Speaking about the articles, there are 3 pre-made layouts for a single post. Let's take a closer look at the portfolio type. It has 2 columns, and the classic type with 3 columns. Both look awesome. Now let's take a look at the About page. It has a start message, counters, info slider, start message, counters, info slider, useful links, and featured posts. And also, we need to check the shop. By default, it has a left sidebar with filters and categories and products on the right side. We can go to a specific product category and sort the items the way we want. Now let's take a closer look at one of them. Product page has all WooCommerce features, like item image, description, product options, quantity, and detailed information at the bottom. Review section will allow your customers to leave their feedback about the products. Marcell offers lots of customization opportunities. Let's start with the blog page. The sidebar widgets are fully editable. In the About section, we can change title, image, name, and text, so everything can be altered. The same with the categories, widget, banner widget, popular posts, tags, newsletter, etc. Unnecessary blocks can be easily removed. Now let's play with the blog section in Customizer options. Here you can switch between showing a post excerpt or entire content. For the short posts, it can be a smart idea to display a full article. Besides the regular functions like changing the sidebar positioning, special widgets, date formats, there's an animation tool. There are multiple animation styles. Let's check the Fade In Up option. Now the posts will appear with the nice animation. Next step, let's change the pagination style. And again, we have several options. Instead of classic numbers, we can choose older/newest button, load more posts. And my personal favorite, infinite scroll. It will load next posts while you scrolling down. Back to displaying excerpt. Now we will edit the article data that the page displays. I will turn off the author name to save some space and add a social share button, which is very important for a modern blog. All right, it works good. We've reviewed some blog features, and let's check the store customization options. Click Customize on the shop page. Here we can also edit the sidebar, change texts, banners, widgets, or add new ones. Also, we can remove the blocks we don't need. Catalog section. Here we can choose whether to display products or categories, pick the default sorting, and change the quantity of rows and columns. Now let's see what we can do with the product images. Let's change the ratio to 2:1. Now they are more compact. Let's do something really cool and use the Elementor page builder to edit the site header with no coding. Find Elementor on top and press Header. For example, let's remove the site title. I will center the social share buttons and also add the custom title in Layout section. Let's make the logo smaller by dragging the slider. Don't forget to save updates. You can hide the Elementor panel to see the changes and then open it again. Now I'll go to our main page and edit the footer by pressing Elementor Footer. Let's drag and drop the image widget and pick the suitable one from the library. Let's add a contact form to the right footer section. Find it in the Elementor panel and simply move it to the necessary spot. Save changes and return to the WordPress dashboard. Now I will show you absolutely amazing tools that you can use while building your site with the Marcell WordPress theme. Press Edit Page with Elementor. From the basic set, pick the Section widget. Add the Image widget to the left column. Pick the image from the library or your computer. I'll add the Text widget to the right column. Click the drop cap to make the first letter large. Let's add the heading to this block and edit the text. Align, center, and add paddings in the Advanced Style tab. Let's also add the button. Choose Info Style, put it in the middle, increase the size, and add the icon. I will increase the distance between the text and the icon. To make it pretty in the Style tab, I will increase the font size, change the text color to white. And in Advanced Settings, we'll add the top margin. Here you go. Our nice block is ready. We've just used the first Basic Elements tab. You may notice that there are 8 classes of elements you may use in Marcell theme: Basic, General, WordPress, and 5 types created by ThemeREX team: Elements, Widgets, Extensions, Support, and Layouts. Let's check the General tab and first add the photo gallery. In the Advanced Settings, increase the top margin, and in the Content section, add the images from the library or from your computer. Increase the top margin, and in the Content section, add the images from the library or from your computer. The gallery is added. When you press on the image, you will see a nice slider with all the photos. Now let's see the progress bar widget. Here you can add the title, texts, change style, and add the progress percentage. Let's check the testimonials. It's entirely editable. You can change the image, the text, size, styles, and all the info about the reviewer. Is tabs. It allows you to place it on the page, add the content. Also, you can change the tab styles, make them vertical or horizontal. Adding the content is super easy and may be quite useful for your future site. Also, if you plan to make some facts or info blocks, you can add the toggle element. It is also very easy to use and requires no programming skills. Categories, tags, search, etc. I'll skip them for now. Much more interesting are ThemeREX custom elements. Let's check the Actions element. I will remove the third element. As you can see, the section reforms automatically, and I will add the custom link to the first one. Also, I will add the background image from my library. We'll do the same for the second block. We'll add the background image and a custom link. The section is ready and it looks nice. Now let's check the countdown element. We can switch the layout from squares to circles. Squares more. Next, I will center my counter and change the date. Then, in Element Layout area, I will add the title and subtitle. Also, it allows to add the Call to Action button. So let's do that. Next is the Blogger element that allows us to display your blog posts. Here you can edit literally anything starting from the articles you want to display and ending with the section layout. I will just change the columns and rows. Let's add the contact form. Type in your email, add the title, center it, and we'll add a subtitle. I really love the subtitle typography here. You can also use the Awesome Icons element. You'll be able to change the image, title, and text here with ease. Now I will show you the pricing elements. Here you can add or remove plans, change icons, titles, texts, and background image. So again, everything is easily editable. With the skills element, you can show important numbers of your company or site. You can add, remove blocks, change texts, and numbers. Just take a look at the number of available free icons you can use. It's huge. Now let's add the social icons and place them in the middle of the screen. In the layout area, I will add the title to this block. And the subtitle, of course. Sorry, I just can't help it. I really love this font. One more element I want to show you is the slider. I will change its style. It slides smoothly. Let's check the effects we have. For example, the cube effect will place your posts on the cube's faces. And the cover flow will arrange your articles in an. Let's move to the next type, widgets. With the About Me widget, you can add your personal info or the info of your site authors. Here you can add an image, title, texts, and the person's title. The calendar widget will display the calendar with the current date. You can tweak the styles and texts here. The next cool element is the categories list. Here you can add a custom title, edit the styles, choose posts, change the number of rows and columns. It will show the categories, images, and standing widget is popular posts, which shows the articles that your visitors like the most. Next section, as of December 2018, has 2 extensions, but there will be more in 2019. Let's check the testimonials. You can use it as an alternative to the one we saw previously. The support type allows to add WooCommerce search to help your customers find products on your site. In Layouts type, you add and change major elements like logo, title, widgets, shopping cart, search, and menu. Here you go. Marcell is an incredible WordPress theme that can make your online presence memorable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel not to miss new awesome videos. Is an incredible WordPress theme that can make your online presence memorable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel not to miss new awesome videos. Not to miss new awesome videos.